G'day, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management, coming to you today from the beautiful suburb of Enoggera in Brisbane. And today we are talking all things, you can see it behind me, Homeguard ProtectaCote. That's right, we have primed it, fiberglassed it and double sealed it. Right, you can see that's a retaining wall behind me, and you can just see, you see those, I guess, those joins in there. That's what we call cold joints. It's really important that we actually seal those cold joints, because the cheeky devils, such as termites, can actually get in through those cold joints and up and in to the house, and that is a recipe of equals no good. So it's all about using the best. Now, the great thing about this, we actually don't sign off on it, but it actually adds waterproofing value. It actually is a waterproofer, but obviously we aren't in the waterproofing game, but it just adds that value. It's not a waterproofing from a signed off perspective, it's a waterproofing agent from an add value perspective. So if you need the best, you use the best, you give Trusted Pest a call. Anyway, that's your Homeguard ProtectaCote. See you next time.